Hey everybody, today we are making a salad with, I call it my Mojo chicken salad. I had something similar to this at a restaurant in an airport one time, and I absolutely loved it. So what you're gonna need is this Mojo seasoning or any type of citrus. You can use lime juice, orange juice, a combination, salt and pepper, and just other spices to marinate your chicken in. So I have a grill pan warming up, and I threw this in this afternoon on my lunch hour, aka when I moved away from the table for 5 minutes, since we're working at home, and just put some thin sliced chicken in there. You can use whatever chicken you have, chicken you find. These are just super thin sliced chicken. So
yes, Pam.
This is super quick, super easy, healthy, good. Again, I try and keep my weeknight meals pretty simple. So we're just gonna throw this on the grill pan on a medium heat.
Sizzle.
Yeah, sizzle.
Just went everywhere.
Just a good citrus. And then if you don't use all this for the salad, you can use it in quesadillas, or you can use it really however you want.
As you can tell, it's very juicy.
Yes. And I'll put that other piece in a minute. I normally make a cilantro lime vinaigrette dressing to go with this, but unfortunately, I don't have enough limes and I'm out of cilantro, and with the stay-at-home order, I don't think that's really a reason to go to the store. So
The smell on these videos are just, they instantly hate you.
yeah, the smells, they're good, huh? So any type of citrus vinaigrette or any type of vinaigrette, even ranch dressing would be fine with this. So, super simple, super quick. Whatever kind of tomatoes you have. I happen to have Roma,
Tomato, tomato, tomato.
because that's what they had. So, got my nice pampered chef knife going here. We're gonna put some, I threw a bag of lettuce in here. That's what the store had, that's what we're using.
Let of us.
Tomatoes are washed. Throw those in there. Now, jicama. You can buy this already sliced. You can buy it whole and peel it and slice it. Whatever is easiest for you. Jicama doesn't have much of a taste. It's just kind of crunchy. Kind of reminds me like a raw potato, but not. It's kind of hard to explain. But it doesn't have a lot of taste to it. So, but it gives it a really nice crunch to your salad. Crunch. So I am going to put some, if you have tahini or any chili powder, anything you want, just to give it a little bit of flavor and some color. I'm just going to throw that in here like so. I'm going to rinse this off real quick. And we're going to cut up an avocado.
There's a chicken right here that's like...
Yep. It's going to cook really quick because it's the thin sliced. I think that seed's going to come out like I want it to, but nope. So we're just going to squeeze it out instead. It's a little seed.
Looks like a weird brown egg.
Okay.
It's a chocolate egg.
So we're just going to get some avocado ready. I'm telling you people, this is so easy. Dinner doesn't have to be hard, doesn't have to be fancy. It'll just be good. That's not very pretty anymore, but it'll do the trick. So we're going to just take this out of here. Basically, I just slice across, and then you can just plop it out with a spoon. Dinner can really, literally be this easy and this quick. Okay.
Slice some stuff, put it in lettuce to make a salad, put some chicken on the grill, and
Yep.
you're done.
Great for quick weeknight dinners.
Woo! I ate something.
Hmm?
I ate like a little snack.
You did?
Yeah. because I was doing, I was cleaning, so I just did a little snack.
Yeah, Mom has them cleaning while we're home on doing homeschooling, and today there wasn't much work to do, so we're doing chores. That is almost done.
You want food?
Let's put a little bit of salt and pepper on the chicken. Just a tad.
It seems like
And a little bit on the salad.
Seems like meat needs a lot of salt.
You want salt brings out the taste and things if you don't over salt it.
Salt. You make delicious food. Ooh, juicy.
Yeah. We're just gonna cut that up.
Very easy to cut.
Yeah, these thin sliced ones cut up real nice for salads. Quickly, easily. Throw that in there.
Tongs are eating the chicken.
And it's that simple. There is dinner for the night. Get close to that. Throw some dressing on there, and you're good to go. Hope you enjoy.